Hello PowerPoint users and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to design this beautiful infographic using PowerPoint. So let's get started. Before we start, let me take you through Master Bundles Marketplace, which helps all type of designers to sell their design works and earn money out of it. If you are an individual designer who don't know how to monetize your great design works, then Master Bundles is the right place for you to try out and sell your design works. As you can see, there are many designers who have already enrolled into Master Bundles and submitted their design works. Master Bundles supports wide variety of designers, like whether you are a graphic designer working on icons, illustrations, logos, backgrounds, characters and infographics designs, or you work on fonts, or create add-ons to applications like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Lightroom, or say you design templates like presentations, social media, resumes, certificates and magazines, or you work on stock content creations like video footage, photos and vector images, Master Bundles is a right fit for you. I know for sure that as a beginner you will definitely have many questions like how this marketplace works and how to submit your content. So to help such new designers, they have updated a blog with lot of useful information to read through and understand them easily. Not just that, Master Bundles also provides an English speaking manager who can call on the phone and help designers to learn how to work with Master Bundles. You can easily get started by signing up with this simple form, or you can directly sign up with Google or Facebook accounts. Once done, you can open up Sell Your Deal page to submit your design works by typing in some sensible title, upload few preview images, then upload your design work, choose the category, fill in all the price details, add color properties and file type, at the bottom provide some product tags, and then publish it. Master Bundles already has around 6 million members and you can easily earn 50% commission for each sale. Payout will be done on any day of the week when your amount exceeds at least $50. So enroll into Master Bundles and let your design reach right customers all over the globe. I have provided necessary links in the video description below. Feel free to check them out. So now let's continue with our tutorial. As usual, let's first enable the guides and then format the background with two-step linear gradient. Change the gradient direction and stop colors to light gray and white colors. Next, go to Insert tab, select Smart Art, choose Cycle category, and then insert Basic Cycle Smart Art. Using Add Shape option on the top left corner, increase the number of shapes to 6 circles, reduce the size by dragging it holding down Ctrl and Shift keys, this should be fine, and ungroup it 2 times until each element becomes selectable. Now select only arrow shapes holding down Shift key and then delete them. Next, duplicate any one circle using Ctrl+D and place it as shown. Now drag it holding down Ctrl and Shift keys to create a duplicate and place it on the left side. Next, select all bottom circles and distribute them horizontally. If nothing moves, it means they are all placed at equal distance. Next, drag and select all circles. Change outline color to black. Increase its weight to 3 points. And finally make it no fill. Now duplicate all circles using Ctrl+D. Change the fill color to light blue just for the sake of visibility. And remove its outline. Align all circles one over the other. And reduce their size by dragging them holding down Ctrl and Shift keys. Next, format these circles with same two-step linear gradient and set its direction opposite to that of background gradient. Also format their outline with same two-step linear gradient. Set its direction opposite to that of shape gradient color and change top colors to light gray and white colors. Next, go to Effect section on the top and apply outer shadow effect. Adjust the distance, blur, and transparency values. Now change the outline circle colors using eyedropper tool and color palettes. Let's speed up to save time. Next, duplicate any one circle using Ctrl+D, place it at the center, and increase its size by dragging it holding down Ctrl and Shift keys. Next, go to Insert tab, and then draw a rectangle shape as shown. Align it centrally to vertical guide, adjust the size, and then remove its outline. Now duplicate this rectangle shape using Ctrl+D, change its fill color, again just for the sake of visibility, and rotate it by 60 degrees to align it in the direction of circle shape. Similarly, duplicate this rectangle 6 more times using Ctrl+D, flip them vertically or horizontally as needed, and align them in the direction of each circle shape. Make sure all the rectangle shapes are centrally aligned. Next, go to Insert tab and then draw a circle shape holding down Ctrl and Shift keys to cover all rectangle shapes as shown. Remove its outline and change its fill color for the sake of visibility. Now select the circle shape along with 8 rectangle shapes and then fragment them together. Drag all unnecessary fragments and keep them aside. There will be many small fragments at the center of this rectangle shapes. Just drag over them to select and place them outside. Finally, select all the fragments and delete them. Next, match each of these rectangle fill colors to their respective circles. Let's speed up to save time. And finally, bring the backend circle to front. Next, go to Insert tab and then draw a elbow line. Adjust the size. Increase its weight and match its color with the circle shape. Also format this line and change its beginning and ending arrow type. Let me slightly adjust the size. Now that looks good. Next, create the duplicate of this line either by dragging it holding down Ctrl key or using Ctrl+D shortcut keys. Place them on each of the circle shapes and match their colors. Finally, add all PNG icons and text fields. I have already changed their colors to save the time. Let's speed up to save time. Finally, we are all set. So here is the final preview of this beautiful design. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.